how to change Shopee payment to COD. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change Shopee payment to COD. First, open the shopee.cl in your web browser. Select your country to continue. Next, click on the login button from your top right corner. So go ahead and log in to your Shopee account by using your credentials. You can also continue with your Google or Facebook account. So once you're in, click on your profile from the top right. Next, click on My Account. Here, you need to click on Banks and Cards from your left panel. From this section, you can add different cards or select Cash on Delivery. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.